This is why we should end the use of Native American mascots. Here are some facts about Native American mascots and teams. There are 2,129 teams involving a Native American mascot or team name. The term Redskin is highly offensive to at least two-thirds of the Native population. The team name, Indians, is another offensive term that a majority of natives do not agree with.
Here are some common misconceptions about the use of Native American mascots for sports teams.
9 out of 10 Native Americans are not okay with the term Redskin. Redskins is not the only offensive sports team name. This is not just a problem with professional sports.
The use of terms such as Redskins or Indians is highly offensive to an overwhelming majority of Native people. This is the equivalent of having team names such as Whites, Blacks, Invaders, and things of this nature. Teams with these names would be met with outrage. One of the most notable changes was the Tampa Bay baseball team that changed its name from the Devil Rays to the Rays. If this is a priority for sports teams, it should be a prerogative of these professional teams to change names that have racial slurs and offensive terms.
In 2016, there was a poll by the Washington Post that 9 out of 10 Native Americans did not think the term Redskin was offensive. What was failed to be mentioned was that the research was out of 500 random telephone calls where only 44% were registered members of a tribe. The accuracy of this poll is highly misleading and should not be considered when having a debate of this magnitude.
The Native people deserve the same respect as every other ethnic group. The fact is that people are just scared of change, or scared that changing the name might make business more complicated for a short amount of time. These reasons are not okay when thinking about the large group of people we are hurting when we use names and mascots like these.
While over 90% of the 2,129 offensive names listed are high schools, this problem does not change until professional teams such as the Redskins, Indians, and Chiefs change their team names, and set the example for how we as a country should all be treating Native Americans.